Which clinical sign is characteristically associated with acute trypanosomosis in dogs and cats, in addition to fever, anemia, and myocarditis? Ascites, corneal opacity, hemoglobinuria, neurological tremors. And the correct answer is option B, that is corneal opacity. Transmission in which an arthropod serves as a necessary intermediate host for parasite development is termed non-cyclical transmission, cyclical transmission, mechanical transmission, vertical transmission. And the correct answer is option B, that is cyclical transmission. The mode of locomotion seen in Trypanosoma best classifies it under which protozoan group? Sarcodina, Celiophora, Mastigophora, Sporozoa. And the correct answer is option C, that is Mastigophora. The most common mode of reproduction observed in protozoa is multiple fission, budding, binary fission, sexual conjugation. And the correct answer is option C, that is binary fission. In Babesia infection, asexual reproduction within erythrocytes occurs primarily by budding, multiple fission, binary fission, sexual conjugation. And the correct answer is option A, that is budding. During schizogony in protozoa, repeated nuclear division of an enlarged trophozoite result in the formation of a gametocyte, schizont, merozoite, sporont. And the correct answer is option B, that is schizont. In Emeria, both asexual and sexual reproduction occur in two different hosts: definitive host only, intermediate host only, same host. And the correct answer is option D, that is same host. In Plasmodium, the sexual phase of reproduction takes place in the arthropod vector, vertebrate host, external environment, intermediate host only. And the correct answer is Option B, that is vertebrate host. The sexual phase of reproduction in Plasmodium is completed in the arthropod vector, liver parenchyma, vertebrate host, reticuloendothelial system. And the correct answer is option A, that is arthropod vector. Which trypanosoma species is transmitted without an arthropod vector? Trypanosoma evansi, Trypanosoma brucei, Trypanosoma convolens, Trypanosoma equiperdum. And the correct answer is option D, that is Trypanosoma equiperdum. In trypanosomes, multiplication in the digestive tract and proboscis of the vector enabling transmission during feeding is termed anterior station development, posterior station development, cyclical development, metacyclic development. And the correct answer is option A, that is anterior station development. Trypanosome species that exhibit anterior station development are collectively classified as Stercoraria, Schizogonia, Salivaria, Sarcodina. And the correct answer is option C, that is Salivaria. In trypanosomes, development in which infective forms migrate to the rectum of the vector and are excreted in feces is known as anterior station development, posterior station development, cyclical development, metacyclic development. And the correct answer is option B, that is posterior station development. Trypanosome species exhibiting posterior station development are grouped under Stercoraria, Schizogonia, Salivaria, Sarcodina. And the correct answer is option A, that is Stercoraria. Chagas disease is caused by infection with which protozoan parasite? Trypanosoma brucei, Trypanosoma evansi, Trypanosoma cruzi, Trypanosoma convolens. And the correct answer is option C, that is Trypanosoma cruzi. Mechanical transfer of a parasite by an arthropod without any developmental change is known as biological transmission, cyclical transmission, transovarial transmission, non-cyclical transmission. And the correct answer is option D, that is non-cyclical transmission. Transmission of Trypanosoma evensi by biting flies represents which type of transmission? Cyclical transmission, transovarial transmission, mechanical transmission, stercorarian transmission. And the correct answer is option C, that is mechanical transmission. Among Trypanosoma brucei, Trypanosoma conjolensis and Trypanosoma vivax, which species is most commonly associated with animal trypanosomosis? Trypanosoma brucei, Trypanosoma conjolensis, Trypanosoma vivax, all are equally common. And the correct answer is option B, that is Trypanosoma conjolensis. After ingestion by the tsetse fly, trypanosomes primarily transform from which form to which form? Trypomastigote to epimastigote, amastigote to promastigote, epimastigote to trypomastigote, promastigote to amastigote. And the correct answer is option A, that is trypomastigote to epimastigote. A raised inflammatory swelling formed at the site of trypanosome inoculation is known as Eschar, papule, chancre, granuloma. And the correct answer is option C, that is chancre.